Okay, so I have a footer on this page. Maybe I'll show you on tablet size so you can see it a little bit better. And there's some content and it's scrolling, and I have the footer set to sticky at the bottom, and it's working fine. But I have another tab at the bottom called Standings that shows a collection that may have one or more rows in it. And what happens is when I click on that, it goes to that page, but the header goes up to the top because the size of the section that the collection is in is not expanding. So what my goal is, and I try to do this, I think I maybe tried to do this in another. So I was trying to play around with having a spacer div there that would increase the size. So basically what I want to have happen is, actually I'll go back to that other page. I just want this footer to stay at the bottom, even if there's only one row of data here. If there's more than row of data than will fit, then I scroll. Otherwise, I want this to be at the bottom, and it's not working for me. So I'm going to show you how I have that set up.
Yeah, select the section.
Yeah, so I'll select that bottom nav section.
Yeah.
So this is my bottom nav section is set to sticky at the bottom. If I go way down here, it says sticky 0, which works fine for the other page that I was looking at, which was my home page. And I have a little different. Oh, one other sidebar here. When you click on mobile to look at the mobile view, you have a default size there for what that looks like. You guys are using 400. I design all my screens in mobile, so this is really frustrating because 375 is my minimum size. So every single time I have to go in here and readjust this thing or readjust the size of it. So possible future feature would be to let somebody set up what their parameters are for what the size is that they want to see this mobile window. Might be helpful for your people who are mobile first developers like me. Anyways, that's the sidebar. So the way I have this set up on this homepage, if I go into the footer,
no, you can go to your.
What would you like me to do?
You can go to the second tab, the one
standings that I had the problem with.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. And then let's select main section. Yes, perfect. And in here, can you show me the height?
Yeah, so I have a fake div in here that I was trying to use to expand that section, but this
I don't
section
think you won't need it. You won't need it. I think.
Okay, good. I'll take that out of there.
You can select main section.
Okay.
Yes, really the main section. Not the div. Yes, this one. Perfect. And you bound it. You bound the height in here. Can you show me to what?
Basically, it's just a calculation of the full window height minus the height of the.
You may need spaces between your minus. I think this is the issue.
Oh. Yeah.
Here you are.
Okay. So let's go.
CSS trick.
Okay, cool. So now if I go to, let me just check out my other sizes to see if that's working. Great. And then I just have to change the color of that background section. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that did the trick. Thank you very much. It was so simple just to have the space.
You're welcome.
Great, but basically that's something people don't know, is that when you bind a CSS value, you should return a string that's interpolated by CSS. So CSS string.
I don't know. I'm not a programmer. I'm not a programmer.
Don't
worry. But it was driving me mental. So thank you very much.
But it's the same for many developers. You know, the spaces between the minus. Nice trick.
But you can use Web Copilot for this.